I don't know what setting I'm on. What is the configuration? I just pressed button and I hope it's gonna record. I don't want to check my phone because
You got water in your socks yet?
nope.
That's a good pair of shoes.
Well, you're soaked already.
Nope. Mine are designed for this.
Mine seen some fucking. My shoes actually been to a volcano,
Ooh.
ocean. What else? Planes, sky. They've been there everywhere actually. Oh, is he pointing us to that way? Look, that's look dodgy as fuck. Nope. I don't want to take a risk. Dude, wait, does he have a house here? That looks like his house.
Maybe that's why it's gone to.
Could be. Possibly.
Are you hearing an animal to the left?
Yes. Pretty sure it's not a cat. I'm pretty sure it's a bird. I hear ya. And by the way, he said, go that direction, I believe.
Yeah,
Right?
I think so. That's straight and it's meant to be at the base of a mountain somewhere.
That's fucking beautiful. You wearing shorts? Good. Keep your hands up so you don't get sliced and diced. And I think you might want to pull.
Hold up, I need to catch up. Hold my sleeves down.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Wait.
Careful.
If I hide here, we will never find it. It's my natural habitat. That's where it's defended.
Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna make an animal joke. That works too.
Oh, buddy, come.
You found tarantula or something?
Yeah.
Oh, I just walked past by that thing.
Yeah.
That's big. That's huge.
Would have eaten you.
Oh, I would have done the same thing to her.
Ooh, I wonder if we can bring it home.
Put it in your jar.
Oh. Leave it in nope, just gonna put it in. Bring it to a primary school something.
Ooh, wait. It's slanted there. Primary school to scare off children.
Your laces are coming off.
Ah, fuck.
Don't want them to get snagged on anything.
Should have double hooked, but it's okay.
It will be so mean if I were to grab a dragonfly and feed it to the spider.
Then you are breaking the natural law. I forgot what that thing called.
The circle of life?
Circle of life. No, not circle of life. You're helping the circle of life, but you're breaking the natural sort of things. I forgot.
We're human, so our mere existence is unnatural.
Yeah, apparently. Them motherfuckers are everywhere, huh? Ooh. Oh, we just stand there. It looks fucking beautiful. I take a photo.
Dragonflies.
Okay.
And he said not to worry about landslides because these are mountains.
You asked him about landslides?
Yeah, so there won't be too many landslides.
I'm more worried about the fucking snakes or something.
I was gonna remind you. Let's find a fucking stick.
Holy! That's a fucking big cricket.
A big what?
Cricket.
Cricket, where?
Just flied across in front of me, not mine. I'm seeing a lot of feathers every once in a while. And that could mean a couple of things.
What thing?
That there could be a snakes too. With snakes, eats the three things raw dog. But then you're gonna be like, how are they gonna catch the bird? Donnie, I realize
Yeah?
we haven't had a fucking
Haven't had a what?
breakfast.
Breakfast?
Yeah.
So you wanna catch a snake and eat it?
Yeah, let's roast that motherfucker up. Should have already done it once.
Yeah, I'll need a helmet then.
No, we just put the stick through his mouth till the tail. Put it on a what do you call the land? Light the fire nearby. You got a lighter, right?
I don't.
Why the fuck you have a scissor but not a lighter?
I forgot to buy one. But yeah, usually I'll have a lighter.
Oh my lord, that not looks.
I'll go in front.
Sure?
Sure.
That looks scary. Whoa, what the fuck? You need to stop doing it.
Get the fuck out of the way.
Oh
What is
shit.
that?
Oh, I thought, oh, okay, there's two way, cause
What?
it's not that way? I thought that was the way.
Probably not.
Oh, that's why I got scared. I was like, dude, it's like a whole tunnel of scary shit.
Oh shit, can you climb up here? That's a bit scary, isn't it?
We can do it.
I'll see what I can do.
No, just keep walking, forget it.
Put this into your backpack and I'll carry it.
Backpack?
Yeah,
No.
because my shoes are better.
No, because I want to record
Okay,
the
then.
camera on it.
Oh, this is for me?
Yeah.
You're so kind.
You're welcome.
Then give me a second to put this water bottle into my pocket.
I think I should have taken out the fucking useless stuff out of my bag when we were coming here.
I'm glad I left the phone.
Phone?
Oh, no, I'm glad I left my backpack home.
I bought it because it has a fucking laptop.
Yeah,
I do not want to lose it.
that's fine.
It's worth more than my life.
It's worth more than my life. Oh, shit. So, you know, going up isn't hard. Going down is.
No,
maybe-
no,
No, I've done this before. We're gonna slip.
it's okay.
Okay.
I saw a few bruises will be worth it. My fucking lord is steep.
Do you want a stick?
Nope. Yeah, you're right. We're gonna fucking slip. Now that's what I call an adventure. Going midstream though.
Yep, I didn't expect full-on hiking today.
Me neither. I thought it's gonna be just right up to that thing.
It looked very near. This is way more hardcore than
Yesterday?
Waterfall.
Yesterday seems like a baby now.
Oh shit, Yesterday we met 2 dogs and 3 dogs. What if we meet a tiger today?
We're gonna let him eat.
Yeah. No, we're not gonna eat him.
No, we're gonna let him eat us.
Oh no. We're going to kill him and cook the bones into a traditional medicine and sell it for double your salary.
Shit, I can take it 2 months off then.
Yep. Ooh, bloody hell. Sick.
No, I'm good. It's crazy. We are crazy.
Yeah. I'm glad you got this recorded. And I'm glad you're not alone this time.
I think I should have brought my gloves with me.
You should have what?
Brought my gloves with me.
Gloves, yeah. It's a shame.
We're doing completely Bear Grylls shit now.
Wait, I can give you one.
No, it's okay.
Trust me. It's not me being sacrificial. We stand a better chance if we share things. Fuck off, mosquitoes. I've had enough of you.
My shoes are not designed for this.
Yep. Wanna rest a little?
Nope.
I wanna get rid of these.
Please?
Yeah. UV sleep. Got sticks over there if you want them.
Nope. I like to things.
Can you? I'll
Right
put
on.
the keys into your backpack just
Now
to be
just hear me.
Okay then.
I feel more.
You go ahead.
No, I don't need it.
I want a different one. This one is light, but it's
That one
fucking dirty.
is not just dirty, but it's
Rotten.
rotten.
I'm glad you're filming this, so I don't have to. It's not a GoPro, is it?
Yes. Well, better than GoPro. It is action camera, but not GoPro. It's the best one on the market
What
right
is it
now.
called?
Huh?
What is it called?
It's called. Good question. Because I forgot the name. It's called Insta360.
Slippery and soft.
Why there's a wire? You see this shit? There's a wire.
Is it?
I fucking know it. Oh my.
It's a branch.
No. There. This one. Is it branch?
I think these are all. Oh no, it's a root.
Oh, it's the root. Okay.
Huge root.
But that was okay. Okay. That's someone's sandals bottom part.
Maybe. Remember how I've been looking for action before trip.
Me too.
I'm finally getting it. Getting fucked by Mother Nature.
You were looking for orgy last night. Don't tell the camera that. We were looking for orgy, not just you. We almost could have had it if I.
Those were kids.
Oh my god.
So are we backing down today?
What?
Are we going to back down today? Or are we going to go all the way to the waterfall?
We're fucking committing.
Nice.
The only problem is it's fucking slippery.
It is.
Oh my god. You know what funny part is? Oh,
This way?
this way. Careful. The funny part is
Yeah.
I fucking forgot again. If you slipped.
What were you thinking?
I don't remember anything now.
We were talking about orgies and cameras.
No, that was way past now. Oh yeah. I'm glad that I didn't wash my shoes.
Yeah. It was a waste of time.
Yep,
Someone slept here.
they did. It's a good thing that I'm used to climbing things.
Yeah. Does that include a corporate ladder?
Yes.
Or
Corporate ladder, bitches. Someone's sandals. That's a big,
going down?
creepy animal. It's not a 1 kilometer. More than that.
No, it is. We're just very slow. No, it's too fucking short.
Something jumped on above you. On there. Man, I love this.
Me too. Watch this part. Soft ground. Salamander.
Is it?
Well, probably not. Probably just a. I don't know my animal.
Wow, people come here to drink. Red Bull.
Yeah.
I think we should have bought some Red Bull too.
Too late. Very.
I did it on Malaysian hike. I loved it. That was the best Red Bull I ever had. Because I was fucking dying of thirst.
I'll charge you for the water then. Holy shit.
What? Look like a...
A spider.
Yeah, I saw that earlier.
So cool.
Try not to get bitten by any of those things. Oh my god.
Very soft ground here.
Yeah, it's a good thing that we do ice skating and hiking and other stuff. Because I do have a balance at least.
Yeah.
I just slipped on one leg and I was able to maintain the balance.
We'll do this again sometime, but for a whole day.
Let's find some good hiking place with less stuff on our back.
Yep. I can hear the waterfall though.
I hear something.
Oh, watch this part.
Yep.
Very tricky.
Got it. I'm trying very hard not to touch anything.
I didn't think. I'm impressed with your sneakers.
Because I've worn only sneakers my whole life, so I'm used to it.
There are no bitch ass sneakers. They're good sneakers
Yeah,
that can take a lot of things.
should pay $300 for it. Pay $300 for it.
300.
Yeah.
Not bad. Fucking black dragonfly. Is that a thing?
Yes.
Oh, it flew away.
Now this one is the dodgiest part actually. I don't know where to put my feet though. No, it's okay.
Take a go here next time.
Well, that would be probably the last day.
Now that she's cool and adventurous,
That's the part. I'm looking for the adventure one. But they like adventure in the another country and going into the malls. That's what their adventure is. My adventure is going to another country into jungle. That's a friendship.
There'll be someone to match what you look for. Let's go this way. I think shorter. Yeah.
No.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm just being cheeky.
It's gonna be very hard to go back. I'm sorry, but I think you might get late today.
It's fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I'll tell them. I'll tell them what I'm up to. Because they'll be there till 7 or something. And with your driving skill, I think we'll be there. What time is it right now? Oh,
So,
we'll be back there by 2 at most.
if we're back there by 2, then I'll take you at 5. Because it's gonna take 3 hours to get to Hanoi from the
Then we can
Far
even
beyond.
be there by 5.
Yeah, that's
How about
fine.
by 3? Because I can be there by 6.
Okay. Because Hanoi is about 100 kilometer from the turn we took a right turn.
Yeah.
Right? That was 100 kilometer.
Yep.
That is exactly 2 hours 30 minutes for me. So, and I'm taking 30 minutes as an extra. So that's a 3 hours. So
Oh, watch this part, buddy. Don't want to lose you here.
I'm good.
And it's probably just me projecting my fear onto you.
I'm only worried about the part that we don't get lost.
It's probably what? There's only one way.
Because we only have food for one.
Dude, get out of the way. I don't want to kill you.
Okay, I hear the waterfall.
Yep.
And I need a bath now.
We didn't bring. Oh, right. You bring a little backpack.
Yeah.
So
I got
what are these guys?
thing for you as well, don't worry. The people took a photo here, and I saw uncles in the photo. I respect those uncles.
You're up to some shit, man. Get up. Oh, wow. I think I just saw a cricket jumping. This bit is hard.
I think there was another way. But that's okay. You got this one. I can do it.
I think it might be easier for you since you're thinner than me.
Slightly thinner.
No, you're 60 something and you're taller, so a lot thinner.
Yeah, I have an athletic body.